What's up, everybody? John D, John Brock here with Next Step Fitness, and we got a special video today. We're doing another holiday video, food review. John Brock, count it. On three, we show him.
1, 2, 3. Oh, come on, man. Hey,
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right there, man.
If you don't know what that is Elf on the Shelf. The first time it came out was Elf on the Shelf. Then you got Dick on a Rick. If you don't know the memes, go look them up. Elf on the Shelf apparently was a doll way back when. I believe so. That would sit on a shelf. I don't really know. Didn't do my research on it, but I've seen the toy here and there. It came out with these bad boys a couple weeks ago. Didn't see too many videos on it. So we're going to jump on it. We'll give you our opinion. Obviously, this isn't for keto or dietary purposes. This is for kids and all you with a sweet tooth out there for the holidays. Let's get into it. So, John, tell them which box you have.
Got the hot cocoa cake bites.
And does yours say hot cocoa cake bites? Wow. All right, I got
Christmas cake.
I got Christmas cake bites. So this one has Christmas sprinkles, vanilla icing, red vanilla cake, green vanilla cake, vanilla cream, and the nutritional value or facts, 12 servings per container. Serving size is 1 cookie. Total fat 5 grams, cholesterol 10 milligrams, sodium 30 milligrams, carbs. Now this is a little crazy here. 11 grams per serving. And there's only total sugar 7 grams, includes 7 grams. So is that 14?
No, 1 cookie, not 1 serving.
No,
there's 12.
Okay, so there's 11 carbs per each bite.
Yeah.
So, and I believe there's 4 in a pack. So if you eat the whole pack,
it would be
44.
44.
All right, John, tell them yours.
It's the same thing, nutrition facts, but this one's snowball sprinkles, chocolate coating, chocolate cake, marshmallow flavored cake, chocolate cream.
And I was looking at, there's 90 calories in here. So you eat a bag that's 90 times 4 is 360.
Don't do it.
360.
360, yes, sir.
All right, guys. We're going to do this at the same time. John, open yours. I'm going to open mine. Let's get to it. I'm really excited. There's also the cereal. We're probably going to do a video on that one. I'm not too sure. It looks good. I believe the flavor for that one is sugar cookie.
Oh, shit.
Packaging.
Wait. Which one's it?
This is... Show them the packaging. Mess up the camera.
My bad.
There you go. Okay. And what it says is Scout's Elf's message.
And then you're supposed to write a message on there?
Yeah, it says, your Scout Elf can write a message. Oh. Have a great day at school. I'm going to do that. Have a great day at the gym there, bud.
Right there. Oh, it won't focus, dog. It won't.
Oh, sorry.
I give up.
All right, let's get into it.
Ooh, it comes in a little... It's cute.
Oh, that's dope. Hold on, I have an idea. Okay, let's show. Turn one of yours with the inside, that facing out. This could be a picture for the gram. All right, just like that. Oh!
Hey! Just a little tilt, bro.
All right.
Just a little something.
Okay. All right, let's take a bite. I'll go first. First off, it's really moist.
Really moist.
Is yours moist?
Really moist.
I don't know if you can see them. Hold on. Wait.
You go first, dog. Focus, man.
All right, it's really moist.
And here's mine. Man, this camera. Sweet. Doesn't have the time of day, boy.
Okay, so I was lying to you. There's 4 grab and go packs. Now there's going to be 3 in each pack. I said 4 in a pack. So you eat the whole pack, 33 carbs down your throat. So you do 90 times 3, that's 180 calories. 270 calories, 33 carbs. All right, sorry about that, guys. There's a cut right there. Something happened with my storage on my phone. Anyways, back to it. These are moist. Flavor, you know, I'm not gonna give my take on it. I'm gonna try the s'mores one. John Brock's gonna try the vanilla one.
No, I like this one better.
That'd be a great video for us at ASMR. All right, sorry, another video problem there. Anyways, we're back on it. I just ate the chocolate brownie s'more one. John Brock just ate the vanilla one. John Brock, give him your take on both.
They're pretty good, and they're both unique in their own way. I still prefer the marshmallow one more than this one, but this one still is good. So, but that one's the winner right there.
This is winner for John Brock. Okay, in my opinion, well, I don't know. They're not too sweet, and that's good because there are some snack cakes out there that are like
Super
just sweet. And I really like sweet stuff, but then there's people out there that won't touch it, barely lick the damn thing. But for me, they weren't that sweet, which is good. Now for a kid, I don't know if a kid's really gonna like how not sweet it is.
Kids gonna love it. Yeah.
Again, really moist. If you like the moisture stuff, not the dry stuff on the inside. The one I like better is gonna be the chocolate, the hot cocoa bites.
Mm-hmm.
I could taste the brownie in there. This one, it just didn't work for me. But for sure, the hot chocolate, the hot cocoa one was a hit for me. So yeah, that's our opinions on them, guys. Go out and get these. Well, I'm assuming it's limited time, obviously. Again, it's Elf on the Shelf. How many are in here? 4?
4 packs.
4 packs, 3 inside, guys.
4. Oh, I thought 4 or the 3? 3. There's 3.
Three
My fault.
inside.
Yep.
If you haven't eaten any carbs all day and you want something a little sweet, a bite of these will be all right for 11 carbs. But
maybe 2 if you're feeling freaky.
You can do the math, guys. But anyways, that's all we got today. If you like videos like this, hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And as always, from everybody here at Next Step Fitness, John Brock, send them out.
Take the next step.